just finished washing some bikes.
Oh yeah.
Max is cleaning, or not, oiling some filters up. My bike's pretty much dialed. Looks beautiful as always. Peep that turbo suspension.
Got the old girl.
On all 3 bikes, we got turbo.
Best suspension in the game.
Shout out to him. Mitch Gerwin. That's his name, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So, Max finishing up bike maintenance. We got some good practice in. We got some videos. A couple videos.
We slacked a little bit.
Yeah, it's just kind of tough when we're both.
And when it's hot out.
It is hot. It was really hot
Like
today.
I was 1, he was 4, and then we were moving quick.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to cool off, and he's already leaving. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, we tried getting the radio to work, and the radio didn't work, so we had no idea what was up, and then we missed like the first little bit of the last practice. It was a lot, but oiling some filters up, and
if anybody wants to buy this thing, let me know. Absolutely nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with it.
I just kind of want to freshen it.
It's got 5 hours on it. Runs great.
FMF header.
It does have an FMF header. He got that put on at his last regional. We'll get a video of that out. But
I've been
she's for sale.
I've been slacking on the videos. I had somebody take like some really cool videos at Baja, and I'm trying to make like a good one, but it's probably gonna end up not being that good, so I'm just gonna post it. Cause I got like Baja, and then I got maple shading, and I got us practicing a couple like practice videos.
Yep.
And then I got High Point, and then we're gonna have this weekend. So I'm just gonna make a video for Baja. But
yeah, it's tough when you're trying to work out and work.
And I know nothing about editing. I just do it on my phone.
Yeah.
But
it turns out good. But
if people actually watched, I'd probably spend some time trying to figure out editing and get a good camera. And
good camera, that'd be nice.
But this is all for documentation
purposes
until it blow us up.
And mark my words, we're gonna blow up. But
if I go to Loretta's this weekend, this video's gonna blow up.
It's gonna blow up. Megan Loretta's.
And if it doesn't, I'm totally fine. I'm gonna cry so hard. Bro.
Yeah, it'll be tough, but we'll be fine.
No, I'm gonna cry if I make it. Like, dude.
Oh, if you make it.
Oh, yeah. I'm crying.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm crying so hard.
No,
if I don't make it,
be a dream come true
so
for
hard.
sure.
Yeah.
But so bike's wrapped up. Tomorrow's the start of races, and
hey, you could be in Division 1, I could be in Division 2. We don't know yet. We might not be racing.
That is true. That is true.
Okay, before you shut that off, make sure you get that blue tough coat. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Looks good on the Husky, and orange hub on the KTM.
You guys, I had a rough weekend at High Point. You guys, when this video is posted, you've already seen that. I had to use both Max spare wheels.
Yeah, it was. I didn't go, but I got some pictures, and wasn't too good.
Yeah, you guys have already seen the front wheel destroyed. You guys have already seen that crash.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Not good, but we're moving forward. It's a new weekend.
They're hot.
We're gonna go out there and give it to her.
You know it.
But we'll update you guys.
Only thing Budget Racing does, give it to her.
Give it to her. Give them out. All right. We'll update you guys along the way.